Top 15 na mga artistang may lahing foreigner. Number 1. Marian Rivera, half Filipino half Spanish. Number 2. Jillian Ward, half Filipino half American. Number 3. Ivana Alawi, half Filipino half Moroccan. Number 4. Beauty Gonzalez, half Filipino half Spanish. Number 5. Bea Alonzo, half Filipino half British. Number 6. Bella Padilla, half Filipino half British. Number 7. Liza Soberano, half Filipino half American. Number 8. Kim Chu, half Filipino half Chinese. Number 9. Jessie Menjola, half Filipino half Lebanese. Number 10. Ann Curtis, half Filipino half Australian. Number 11. Julia Montes, half Filipino half German. Number 12. Yasi Pressman, half Filipino half British. Number 13. Rian Ramos, half Filipino half British. Number 14. Heart Evangelista, half Filipino half Chinese. Number 15. Christine Hermosa, half Filipino and Spanish.